Hello, welcome to Cooking Lessons for Dad, where you'll learn to cook healthy, cook easy. My name is Karen Breyer, and today I'm going to give you an update on my channel, Cooking Lessons for Dad. You may have noticed that I went a while without posting videos, and you may have been curious why, so I'm going to explain that to you. First, I want to give you a little background on my channel. You may already know that I made Cooking Lessons for Dad for my dad who wanted to learn how to cook. He lives far away from me. When my mom went into a nursing home, I went to visit my dad, and I noticed he was eating a lot of fast food, unhealthy food, and I asked him about that, and he said, I don't know what else to make. He didn't know how to cook. My mom always did all the cooking. So I asked him, do you want me to teach you to cook a few things? And he said, yeah. And then I did, and he got so excited, and he asked me if I would continue to teach him how to cook. And he lives all the way in Iowa, so he said, can you teach me to cook over Skype? And I said, sure. And then I thought, well, that's a lot of work for one person, and so what I did is I made a course that I posted on Udemy called Cooking Lessons for Dad. And I was really surprised that so many people signed up for my course. And I thought, wow, there's a lot of people who want to learn how to cook or want to learn some easy, healthy recipes. So next, I made my Cooking Lessons for Dad YouTube channel, which you're watching now. And I've been posting videos for quite a while, and then I stopped, and that's because we moved. We moved from Southern California to Southern Oregon, and we moved to a beautiful place here. I love it so much. My dog Leo loves it. He has big adventures outside. He gets to run around. He's really happy too. Anyway, so the only issue is that the kitchen here isn't really set up to make cooking videos, so my husband helped me set up this space. So now I have a space again to make cooking videos, and I'm really excited to get going making some more cooking videos. And he's going to also help me make a better kitchen. That will be coming up, and he said he's going to help me in his free time. So I know it will happen, I just can't tell you exactly when, but that's something very exciting to look forward to. So in the meantime, I thought it would be a good time if you wanted to share with me what kind of recipes you would like me to show you how to make, or what you're interested in seeing on my channel. So, and then if I get a lot of people asking for the same type of recipes, then I will for sure make them. I'll make as many as I can. And if you see somebody make a comment about a recipe they want and you like it too, give it a thumbs up, and so I can see what people want, like you want to see. And if I don't know how to make a recipe, I'll learn how to make it so I can show you how to make it. And that will be fun. I think recipes are a big adventure. You try something new and then you get a surprise at the end, and hopefully it turned out. And so anyways, I'll be looking forward to hearing from you, and I'll be posting more videos. I'll be trying to post every week. Thank you for all your support, and thank you for all your thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe if you want to, and push the bell button if you want to get updated when I post a new video so you can see it. So I'll look forward to hearing from you, and I'll see you in my next lesson.